Kahadlog kami kay kanarang namon katapusan na namon kuan kusad amon importante ang kabataan nga makuan namon na safety.
Sobrang lakas. Makikita mo yung mga bubong tanggal lahat. Hindi lang sa amin, marami.
There were wind until more than 300 km per hour, which never happened before.
Away na tamot istaran pagkagabi, ay nagkumitsakaan, ay nagbuslog atop to sa babaw, nabili niya sa loob doon.
Yolanda was the greatest, the most horrifying, the most fearful among the typhoons I experienced. I don't want to experience that anymore.
In addition to houses having been destroyed, their source of livelihood were also destroyed because the effect of Yolanda was such that it almost destroyed everything.
Waray na ng pagpakabuhi, makuri na gud ita mong pagkaon, ngantak mga eskwela, waray na gud pagpaka-eskwela, kay matungod, waray naman ang mga kalubian, nga amon bagin lalauman.
Waray na naruba, kay waray namang gumana ng kuang pakabot, waray namang gumana ng video okay, pakabot. Pagkatapos, wala pa. Pero nung dumating yung Caritas, tutulong sa amin, nagkaroon ng malaking pag-asa.
Our most urgent and most important action or response should be putting a roof over their head. At this point in time, we are now into reconstruction.
Nagpapasalamat ako ang Cord Aid nga gimbalayan kami nira nga kuan. Diri ko ina-expect nga makakabalay kami so gud dinhi nga kuan.
Ay nagaambing, may tuyangan, may nagaturo. Kumpormita na ito pa ka uran sa ibabaw, may anang turo sa dalom. Payong lang eh.
The objective is to have houses that structure can resist, so people will be able to rebuild much faster.
Build it right, build it the best that we can, and let, if even another Yolanda would come, let not that Yolanda destroy this house. Yolanda would come.
They knew that Cord Aid is giving shelters to the people. They wear their big smiles.
Ang CRS nagatagin kwarta, nganin kuan mga trainings, parahan pag-garden namon. Hindi nga amon area din ni karuyag ko nga matamnanin mga sadang ikabuhi namon ngan para kami maka-income ba panadlaw-adlaw.
An akon napalit na hayop buligan si Aris and baboy. Nakakabulig hiran an akon mga tanong ang baboy, nakakabulig hiraan akon mga panginanglanon panadlaw-adlaw.
So this is not just giving them shelter, but trying to prepare them, giving them livelihood, giving them a sense of hope, and a sense of preparedness for whatever will happen in the future.
You are not building house. You are building a family. You are building a community. You are at the same time building the church.
Wala na siguro ibang pa kundi maraming salamat sa Caritas.
For the NGOs who gives money for us, you are there for us to help, and we're thankful.